Hello, how you doing? Okay, so today I'm going to show you I'm just going to a roundup of WordPress. Let me show you something. So this is a site I'm working on. Although it's not WordPress in a way, it's from scratch. Like you can see, I'm doing the code work here. Okay, so I already have WordPress downloaded from the site. I can quickly extract, which I've already done. So where is WordPress? So WordPress, where is it? So it should be here. Hold on one second while I try to get it ready. So WordPress is set. You already have WordPress here. Just take the WordPress. If you're using a MacBook, you already know where to find your exam server. Go to applications, go to Xen, htdocs. Basically the same thing. Paste it here. Okay, now let me go ahead and create my database. I may like to. Okay, hold on a second. I don't have to disconnect for now. So let me go ahead and finish this. phpMyAdmin to create a DB. By now my WordPress should be done copying. Oh, still copying. So we need a new DB. This is really slow because I'm connected to the internet. But if I want it to be really fast, just disconnect. But then I still need a few stuff from online. That's the reason why I'm still connected. So databases, you could click on create new, or however you want to do it. Just create a new DB. It's loading. This is supposed to be very fast, even though it's so slow. But anyways, almost there. So WordPress is here. It's time to rename it to something else. Call it Final X. For some reason, this is still slow. Okay, Final X. Final X. Database created. Final X. Time to install. Localhost slash Final X. Database name, username, password, host, table prefix. Database name, obviously Final X. Username is root. Password is empty. Host is localhost, and table prefix is the same thing. Now, I noticed this in the MacBook. Okay, it tells you, sorry, you can't write the WP this. You can create the WDs by yourself manually, blah 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 blah. After you've done this, click on the run install. Now, if you ever had this issue with the Mac, like this is not a big deal anyways, but then it's some annoying stuff to fix at this point because it doesn't allow you to do anything from the front. Like you have to always go to the code, like to upload stuff. But anyways, it's cool. Let me just use this time to show you how to work from the code area. So even if you can't install it, if a template tells you I'm too heavy to install, you can just go to the code and add the template. Let me just use this as an example. I'm really happy I'm seeing this error. So now it's saying I can't write the WP file, meaning I can't take this username you're giving me. I can't use this thing to do anything. Like I can't really edit. I can't create this file. So you have to create this manually. So to create this manually, do this. Copy. So wp-config.php. Now go to your folder, Final X, wp-config. Is there anything like that here? You see, it's not here. Like I don't see anything here. So now, if you don't know where to put the wp-config, do this. Where to find the wp config file. It tells you the WordPress folder structure, how to edit this. Anyhow, this could lead you to how to find it. Tells you what folder to open, all of that. So we could use the same way to find what we're looking for. So now we're told to copy this and paste it there. Now what are we copying exactly? What's in here? Database name is final x, username is root, password is this. Don't be scared of code, like just read these things. Don't be scared to read, like check it out and see what's up. Now how to edit wp config file. I'm coming to this site because I'm basically looking for where to put that file. But for now, let me go ahead and create this. Let me go ahead and put this here. When I know where to put the file, I would save it. I'll save it. Now, how to edit wp config file in WordPress. Now, okay, it says what is. Oh, okay. Let's go down. We are seeing almost. We're gonna see it's an error, I believe. We're gonna see it's an error. We're gonna see it's an error. Okay, so it tells you that you see your WordPress admin, your content, this, blah blah blah, and your WP content is going to be in the root, meaning it's going to be in here, like it's going to be among these files here. Meaning, if you see your admin, if you see your content, if you see your WP include, it should be one of these WPs. But right now, it couldn't write it, so it couldn't create it. So we have to do it by ourselves manually. So now we need to create WP config.php. Now, let's save this file as wp config.php. Where are we saving this? We're supposed to save this in applications. Where are we here? Where are we here? Space, using places. Now there's a better way to open this thing. Okay, there you go. Okay, cool. Applications, down, htdocs, final x, wp config.php should go here. Saved. Now we have this saved. You see, it's now the color change because it's now a PHP file. So we all set to go. Now here, just reload this, run the installation. It allows you to because you've done what it told you to do. All set, no need to panic. So site title, final x, admin, put my username, password 1234, confirm user with password 1234, install WordPress. I need to provide a valid email address. Email address could be very 2000 gmail.com. What else? Cool, like why are you holding me here? Names provided. Confirm user with password. Run the install. We are there. For some reason this is too slow, maybe because I'm connected to the internet. But then let's see. Enjoy site. Not really enjoying it right now because this thing has messed me up. I need to do everything manually. But then there could be a fix for Mac users. If you're using Windows, you might never encounter this issue. It's mostly with Mac because Mac has so many write privileges. You need to go say, okay, allow me to write to this disk, allow me to do this, allow me to do that. So if you're using Windows, you might never see this. But if you see it, this is a fix for it. If you're using the Mac, do not panic, fix it yourself like I've just done here. Now, let me see my site. And let me install the template. Just another WordPress site. This is a new default. Okay, so let me look for something else. I could call this. Let me add a new one and call it. We are done with the DB, so we're done with this too. Close all unnecessary tabs. Let's see what's up. Let's install 2017 indicated. There is this one here. There is 80°. Let's see. Now it's very easy to go look for a template before coming to install it. Let me say what material design WordPress. I'll tell you what material design is later. Before now, you should have already known that you could code from scratch if you want. but just WordPress is just like an escape. So let me just, you can't run away from like coding from scratch. WordPress is limited. I mean, it's very great, but then I think it's still limited. I know WordPress, right, expert level, but still, I still code from scratch. Let me show you. I already showed what I was working on. Now we're going to run, this is an advert. We're going to run a class called Rapid Web. We're going to show you how to code from scratch, like create beautiful sites like this. You see how pretty, see how clean. Okay, so this is my idea. So I mean, it's so fine because I wanted this thing to be here. That's why I put it here. The WordPress, you need to like follow what they've already done or keep modifying, wasting time. But for now, let's see how to find a pretty WordPress. What does it say? A pretty WordPress. Village people. Oh my god, I'm dead. WordPress. A pretty WordPress template. That's how I was yabbing on each guy, and now I don't know if it cost me or not. I don't know what happened, sha. Anyways, here there is Divi. This Divi is not free, so don't even look at it. There is Apica. There is Pole. There's so many templates here that are material design. Okay, there is Hestia, or is it Hestia, whatever. There is Hestia has a free. So let's go find Hestia. Hestia has a brother too called something else. I don't know what it is. But let's use the one you've seen, Sha. Go back to your WordPress and look for Hestia. I was trying to type it like this. So it's in here. I don't guarantee that you'll find every template inside here. Like some people might design the template and put it online somewhere else. Some people might design and push it to the WordPress repository. So if you do not find what you're looking for here, just go download it by yourself. Now let's see. I might have an issue installing this. Because of that writing stuff. Let's writing stuff. Says to perform the requested action, WordPress needs to access your web server. Please enter your FTP. Oh my god, dude, this is so stressful. This is not needed. Like this is so unnecessary. My web server is localhost. It's localhost to. But this is not necessary. Like I'm not supposed to be seeing this. Okay, cool. This is not an issue for me because I know my way around this. What I need to do is download Hestia theme. Download WP theme. Always specify if you're downloading a WordPress template, always put WP or write WordPress. Don't be lazy if not to get wrong results. So this is a template here, free. You can see it in the WordPress repository. It's on its own too from Team ISO, whatever. So download for free. We have the pro version. We have. Let me show you how I do the live demo. And I already know how it looks, but for now, let me download for free. And let me show you how to. No thanks. I'm not purchasing anything like it's free. I want to do. Okay, it's already downloading. Cool, it's coming down. Now let's check for what did I just do? Do not panic. Template is ready. 3.0 and you're taking this whole time. Okay, now this is a preview of the Hestia thing, and this has going to look when you're done designing. Let's see. Like I said, it's material. I don't have to explain material to you right now, but it's just a concept of designing that allows you to put all the shadows, flat buttons, icons. It's a principle of design. We're going to teach you this later when you start taking full classes with us. Right now, we're giving you teasers. So this is how your template could look. This is a possibility. You need to calm down. This is a possibility of your template. I'm trying as much as possible not to make this video long. That's why I keep saying crap. But for now, that I've already said so much crap, let me continue doing. This is how it's gonna look. This is gonna look basically. Team. It could be a WordPress, it could be a one page, it could be as many pages as you want it to be. Now I'm done with that. Okay, so I don't really think I need the internet anymore because it's making me slow. So let me turn it off. Now I have the Hesha template. I need to carry it and put it somewhere. Since my PC is misbehaving, I always need to work around it. I don't need to like say, okay, my PC is broken, so let me stop coding. No, bro, you need to look for ways around what you're trying to do. Why is this slow? For God's sake, I don't know. Let me close some applications here. Okay. Here's your template. It should be my download. So here, extracting. Now this is ready. Where do I put this? Now understand the folder structure. Your themes are in, where do I see the text editor? I just need to show you from here. It's going to be in your website slash WP content. Your template is a content. It's not an include. It's not an admin. It's a content. So it has to be here. You have plugins. You have templates or themes. Open it. You see the rest here. So you can paste it here. You have the choice and the right to delete all this one share. I don't really think you can delete from the front, but now that you have access to the back, you can delete to free space. Now the only template you have is the Hesha. If you try to reload this when you don't have any selected template, it's going to tell you crap. See, the template this does not exist because you already removed it. Now let's go to themes. You're going to see just one because we have only one there. Here we have only one. Do not delete this index file though. This index file is this page you're seeing. This index file is this page, and the templates are the templates you're seeing. So this is gone, this is gone, so this is only one available. Activate it. And we're all set. This is a very tricky template. Reload this, it's but then it's going to show you some crap pages, like just another WordPress site. You see, why is this like this? You don't have to install any provision for demo content. So, but why is it showing me this for a start? Okay, now to just make this thing disappear and show me the site, I just click on customize. While in customize, the site should behave properly. I don't know why I did it this way, but it's so annoying that you just have to click on customize for it to load. But anyway, you don't have a choice. In customize, change the title or change whatever you want to change, but in real time you see the change you're trying to do. Site identity. If you want to check the advantage of this option, don't need to install and activate the OBT. Okay, install this. Like I said before, I've not changed anything, right? I've not done anything new. But then, just because I came to customize, the site is now full. It's now complete. It's not because of this I'm installing, no. I'm just saying I can't install again, no, because of the server's configuration. Like I need to go download this thing, extract it, and put it in the plugin folder, like I did. Also, site identity. You can change this. The title is the final X. That is the title, the final X. Now we have so many sections. We have the about section. You can decide to disable it, which is this, takes this space out. We have the subscribe section. It is disabled already, so you just have to allow it, which is this part. We have the blog section, which is here. We have the contact section, which is here, and you have access to a shop section. This is a plugin WooCommerce allows you to sell. When you're trying to create something like eBay or Amazon that allows you to shop, check out, pay. WooCommerce is a plugin that is the baba for online shopping. Now reload your site and let's see. it's supposed to show. Okay, cool. Thank God. So you can decide to change this background, change this place. I really need you guys to use this template. It's so pretty. So whatever. Like this is it. Now I'm just going through everything we've done already. You already know how to do this. Why did I do this tutorial? I want to show you how to customize. Sorry, how to export. Like let's say you're done designing, you're happy. You want to show the world what you've done. Okay, let's show you how to do that. Go to. This is very important that you go to settings. Why is this thing behaving now? You have to install extract 2 times. Okay, so settings. We have general, we have writing, we have reading, we have discussion, we have media. If you go to themes, you have editor. Like you can have access to the source code here. We are still going to do a full WordPress class. This is just like a demo. I told you it's a short class, right? Now, settings. We have general settings. Let me show you what you can see there. In general settings, you can see the site title. You can see the tagline. You can say last class before posting. WordPress address, site address, WordPress address, site address. Enter the address. You want your homepage to be different from this. This is address. You can change. So this is going, and this is going. Now I want to take this site from my laptop to the internet, and I want to put it here. I want to put it in Fave Code Bots. I'm not going to do this right now, but I'm just trying to show you something. Let me say I want to put it in favecodebots.com. Let's say this is a website I've gotten the domain already. Oh, I'm disconnected. My bad. Viruses. It's my Wi-Fi. Thank you. HTTPS favecodebots.com. Let's say this is where I want to put my. You can't be this slow, dude. Okay, this is where I want to put my what's it called? My website. I want to host it here. I just need to change the WordPress address to this, site address to this. There must be this, and this is final. Like this thing you're doing right now. You after doing this, you can't run this site offline again, except you go to the configuration and change this and say, okay, I want to run it back to my local host. This thing you're trying to do right now is saying, I'm done running local. I want to go online. Membership, this is not necessary for now, but this is all you need to see. I'll go to writing on that setting. Let me tell you what it is, what it does. In writing section, you have the default post category. What category should your post go to? If you don't like this setting, you need to do like this is self-explanatory. Forget about this. Go to read. I'm going to end the reading. Okay, I'll do permalinks. Now, your home page displays like if someone comes to your website, what should they see first? You can say, okay, I want to show them my latest post. I want to show them a static page. If you show them a static page, you just select home page, and that should be all. If you're showing them a blog page, you could say, okay, blog page shows at most how many posts should be there for a start before you see the read more. Select for each article full text or summary. After seeing the summary, just say, okay, Obasanjo traveled to this, read more, something like that. Do not ever click this if you want people to find the site. Permalink. What are permalinks? Permalinks are those links that you see on your sites or when you share URL. Let me show what that means. Let me show what that means. Hey Siri, chill. Let me tell you what it means. Now you are on your WordPress site and you have a blog post. Let me go to blog. You have a blog post. And I want to read this blog. This post is called Hello World. Look up here. You see how it's arranged? Index 2018, 05, 30, Hello World. That's the permalink. This is the link. Link start from here is a permalink. Now you could customize it. You could make it be plain, final, add post, and wait, question mark post equal to 1 to 3. You could make it to be day. Let it show the day and time, post, whatever. I like this plain. This plain makes it look matured, kind of. Let's see. This is expired because It is not the permalink. It's expired. See? Expired. Do not fear, we updated the permalink. So whenever you hit a bug like this that tells you you can't view this post, let's say I created a blog post and I click on it, it's showing in my admin that there is a blog post, but in the front it's telling me there is no blog post. Just go update your permalink to something else. Something might be broken in the permalink area. So just always play around. WordPress is really simple. You just have to Google a lot. Now you see, before it was something else. Now it's final x and post equal to 1. This is the first post. So if you keep adding posts, it's going to be and equal to 2, equal to 3, equal to 4, and so on. So I am here now. I'm done for today. I'm done teaching for today. So play around what I've already showed you now, and you're ready to host the site. Finish your homework. I'll be back to you to upload the sites. I'll be back to you to show you how to upload to the internet. So enjoy your day. Bye. How do I end this?